Welcome students, continuation of the module 1. Now we are going to discuss about some numerical part of the uh, chimney height. Okay, so consider the height of the chimney above the grate level is considered as a h, and pressure acting on this grate from the chimney side is considered. Okay, so P1 is equal to PA plus WGH. So here the pressure acting on the grate from the atmosphere side is P2 is equal to PA plus WAH. So where PA is nothing but atmosphere pressure, and WA and WG are the weight density of the air and as well as hot gases. See, in the figure you can observe that. So the net pressure acting on the grate the combustion chamber due to the pressure extended by the gas column and the air column is gone by based on the pressure balance, that is P is equal to P2 minus P1, because as the weight density of the air is greater than weight density of the gas. So we consider for this condition, that is PA plus WAH minus PA plus WGH. So you take the common of H, that is WA minus WG. Okay. So further, for this condition, uh, we consider for this pressure difference is known as static draft and responsible for the causing the flow of air through the chimney. So this equation gives what the pressure difference is known for the static draft and responsible for the causing the flow of air through the chimney. This pressure is always small, that is 12 mm of water, less than 12 mm of water, and can be increased by either increasing the density of the air by reducing the density of the gas. This all depends upon the density of the air and the hot gases. Okay, this is about the height of the chimney. We are going to calculate. So if you know the pressure, and you can calculate height, or if you know the height, you can calculate the pressure. Next, we will discuss about what is the chimney height and diameter of the corresponding. So let us consider, assume that the volume of the products of combustion is equal to the volume of the air supplied, both reduced to the same pressure and temperature conditions. If it is the case, so we can write the pressure difference in terms of water head is HW divided by 1000 into H divided by 1000 into WW is equal to H into W A minus WG. So where already I told HW is nothing but equivalent water of the head in mm and weight density of the water. Similarly, we have to write for the uh, equation where it is considered for the water level, that is HW is equal to H into rho A minus rho G, that is mm of water head. This one you consider as equation number 1. Now the mass of the chimney gases produced, okay, there is a Ma plus 1 is a kg of fuel burnt. So where Ta and Tg are the absolute temperature of the atmosphere and average absolute temperature of the chimney gas. Now you take it for the ratio. What happens? The mass of the hot gas divided by mass of the air is nothing but Ma plus 1 divided by Ma. So density of the air at 273 Kelvin is that is rho according to gas law. So rho A is equal to P divided by RT. We know that P atmosphere pressure and R we know gas constant and T is the atmosphere temperature. So you will get is density of the air will get 1.29 kg per meter cube. So now you have to substitute in this equation for the calculating the density of the air. Again rho A is equal to rho 273 into 2 T 273 divided by Ta. So further you can substitute this value and you get the air density of the air will get it. So similarly you have to calculate for the gas also. So while substituting these values, we must understand that, so for the using equation 1, substitute all the necessary values of what we have found previous. So you substitute and you will get final uh, like this. Okay, that is substituting the equation 1. So you will get finally equation I can read, that is HW is equal to 353H into 1 divided by Ta minus Ma plus 1 divided by Ma into 1 by Tg mm of water. So this is the assuming that same draft is produced by the gas column of height. Then what will be the height if it is the burnt, that is gases, okay, which are taken for that level. There is H1 into 1.293 to Ma plus 1 divided by Ma, that is 273 divided by Tg. Okay, what is Tg? That is the temperature of the gas. So again you substitute all the values and finally you got it. H is equal to H1 is equal to H into Ma divided by Ma plus 1 into Tg divided by Ta minus 1. This is about the chimney height. Okay, and diameter also we can calculate further by taking the values, that is 1 point, diameter is 1.128 into under square root of mg divided by rho gv. So this is about the diameter and height of the chimney. So let us will discuss one problem on this. So determine the height of the chimney to get net draft of 12 mm if the total draft losses are 4 mm. Okay, 4 mm. The temperature of the outside air is 23 degrees centigrade and the furnace is supplied with 15 kg of air per kg of the coal burnt. So calculate draft in mm water and draft head in a meter of the hot gas. So as we discussed in previous derivation, so using that equation we can calculate draft in mm of water. The direct formula is there. HW is equal to 353 into H bracket 1 divided by Ta minus Ma plus 1 divided by so density of the air